What is cryptocurrency? It's a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than by a centralized authority. I'm sure you guys heard of Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoin and many more, but you can't buy any of them through foreign current exchange services like bank. So how can we buy one in Malaysia? To take note, I'm not a guru or expert by any means. I'm just trying out what's new and share with you guys how you can do it yourself. Disclaimer, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, the crypto space is still largely unregulated and there are possible project abandonments occur. So you need to understand cryptocurrency tradings involve high risk. This video is purely for educational purposes to manage your own risk responsibly. So let's back to the questions, how can we buy cryptocurrency in Malaysia or maybe in some other country as well? There are a lot of platforms that we can use like eToro, Luno, and the largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms, Binance. Today I will share with you step by step how you can buy your first crypto coin through Binance. You may use the link in the description box below or the reference ID on the screen right now to register an account. I need to be transparent, the link and reference ID I shared on the screen will get me a 10% commission kickback. At the same time, you will also get a 10% commission. So it's a win-win situation. Firstly, it will require you to get verified before you can start to trade. Once done, go to home screen, tap on the profile located on the top left corner. Turn off Binance Lite and switch to Binance Pro. Next is how to buy USDT. Back to home screen, go to Wallet, P2P on the top row. Here is where you buy and sell your coins. Since we are buying, so tap on Buy. There are P2P and Express. P2P will give you more options and offer. Express is pretty self-explanatory. You can filter the amount that you need by tapping on the filters. I would suggest you to top up at least 50 ringgit because the minimum trade is USDT 10. The payment supported are local bank transfer, Touch and Go, Shopee, Maybank, International Wired. I can see this seller has over 4,000 trades and have 99.66% and the rates are pretty okay. So I'll tap on Buy and I'll be purchasing from them. Next is tap on Buy and input 50 ringgit. And I'll be getting 11.93 USDT from this seller. Tap on Buy Now and make sure you have read all the terms before performing the bank transfer. Normally, it takes a few minutes to complete the transaction. Now I've received the USDT from the seller. Because the USDT is in the P2P wallet, I need to transfer it to my spot wallet. Now I need to tap Transfer. Make sure it's from P2P wallets to spot wallets. Change the currency to USDT because I received USDT. Select Max and hit Transfer. Now you can have USDT in your spot wallets. You can exchange your desired coins, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I will get some Dogecoin. Head to Trade, Spots, tap on the coins exchange and switch to Doge USDT. Select the amount of Dogecoin you want or the amount USDT you want to buy. As mentioned earlier, the minimum is 10 US dollar. I shall put 11 and tap on Buy. Now you have successfully purchased your first crypto coin. To check the balance, head to Wallet, Spots, and you see your Doge balance. So if the coin's value increase from your entry price, your asset increase and vice versa. That's about it. It's a pretty short and simple videos on how to buy crypto coins in Malaysia. There's also this thing called future tradings. Maybe I can cover it next time. A brief what futures can do is two parties enters into a contract to buy or sell a specific amount of coin for certain price on set future dates. It's a very high risk due to volatilities but also an opportunity for profits. Hit the like buttons if you want me to cover futures. That's all for now. Hope you find this video resourceful and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video.